Hope everybody's having a good day. I just thought I would put this out there. This last week I've had 3 unusual dreams that were right together. And hadn't had any in a long time, and then I had 3 just almost back to back to back. So here they are. March 19th, 2021. I dreamed that the weather was cloudy and had been most of the day, and in the afternoon it began clearing up, and severe storms did form. I was worried they would be gone before school class let out. I was in a school class, and it was the end of the day. And I was worried that this stuff would be gone before school let out. It got very dark and the winds got high. And then I heard this song by Billy Thorpe called Children of the Sun. I woke up. That was March 19th. March 21st, 21. I dreamed that the 40-mile-per-hour winds that they hyped up in Oklahoma was really 70-mile-per-hour winds. And I was in my mother's, kitchen that she had, and I was at the table, and then somebody just said, yeah, it was really gusting to 70 miles per hour, and I woke up. March 22nd, I had another one. And this was a vision. I saw it for 2 or 3 seconds. It flashed before my face, but was very, very, very vivid. I dreamed a vision, and I saw the National Weather Service map. And it had most of the state of Nebraska, the entire state of Kansas, all of Oklahoma except southeast Oklahoma. It was all under a high wind watch. And I just saw that, the vision ended, and I woke up. Wind advisory status usually runs for winds that run anywhere from about in the range of 35 to 50 mile per hour gusts, and then once you get 58 mile per hour gusts or higher than that, that's high wind warning or high wind watch criteria. And these were non-thunderstorm winds in 2 of the dreams, and then one of them, it was thunderstorm winds and non-thunderstorm winds it was talking about. And the states again were Nebraska, just about all of Nebraska, the entire state of Kansas, all of Oklahoma, except for southeast Oklahoma. And that was all that I saw on the map. I saw nothing else but just that, and I confirm it was a high wind watch is specifically what I saw, meaning 58 mile per hour winds or gusts higher than 58 is what it was indicating. And those are 3 dreams that I just wanted to share, and then we'll just hit this a minute and it won't be too loud. Oh, 3 dreams that I had, I thought I would share them.